Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn our second tutorial, and this is my YouTube channel. And from the please visit my YouTube channel. And from the playlist, you can see there is HTML tutorials for beginners English. Okay, so if you know English, please watch videos from this playlist. And I would recommend you before coming back to second video, please visit this playlist, and from the playlist watch the first video first, so that you can understand the way to start your first code. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to learn about editors and how to download it. Okay, so there are so many editors you can find in Google, and we are not going to use Notepad only. Because why Notepad, I'm telling you, because in our first video I have wrote our first code in only Notepad, which is a default editors you can find from your computer. Okay, so how do you find your Notepad? Just search Notepad and enter it. You can see this is a Notepad editor, which is default editor. Okay, so in my last video I have shown how to write your first code in Notepad. So we will not use Notepad for writing any HTML code. We'll use professional editors. Okay, so there are so many editors you can search and you can find, but now today I'm going to show you few of them. Okay, so that you can download and write your codes. So first of all, you can see this is a Bracket.io. This is the editors you can use for writing your HTML code. And the second one is Atom.io. You can download and install this editor, and the most popular in the world, I would say, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the most popular code editor. You can also use this. Then there are Sublime Text editor, there is Notepad++ editor, there are themes, and etc. You can see. So how you download editors, I'll give all the URLs in my description box, so that you can search and download any of these. Okay, so now we will see how to download and install. Okay, one by one. I will show you a few. You can try all of them if you want. So first of all, we'll go to Bracket's website. This is the Bracket's website, and if you can see there are two options: download and downloads version 2.0. This is version 2.0.1, and there is no version, but both are same. If you click on this, uh, it will download your version 2.0.1. Okay, so just click on download buttons. You can see the editors star will download in your computer. And the next one is Atom.io. If you go to Atom.io website, you can find the download options. Okay, so just click on it and download the atoms. And the Sublime Text, I would say, if I go to Sublime Text, you can we can see there are two options as usual: download for Windows and download. If you click on this, we can download as Windows version. But if you click on download buttons, we can see there are three options: Mac OS, Windows, Linux. we use Mac, you can download from this link. We use those who are using Windows, you can download your editors from here. Those who are using Linux, you can download from this link. Okay, so I am going to, as I'm using Windows 10, so I am going to download, click on this link and you can see download, it's downloading. So now we'll search for Notepad++. If we go their website, we can see this is their homepage, and from the left side we can see there is a current version 8.3.3. just click on it and you can find these links for downloading. Just click on download and it will be download. Okay, so there are also Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is one of the most popular in the world. You can go their website and you can see their Windows version, Mac version. You can download any of them, whatever you are using. So I'm not downloading anymore because I have this Visual Studio Code. Just I'll show you how to install just one. You can install any of them. If you are beginner, I suggest you to start your first code with Notepad++. Uh, this is good for the beginners. Okay, or you can use Sublime Text brackets. After completing one or two project uh, from uh, from this, you can switch to Visual Studio Code. Then it will be more easier than you thought. Okay, so I would not recommend to go fast for Visual Studio Code if you are a beginner. So how to install it? Just double click on it, any of them, then yes, click on yes button. Okay, you are trying to install version bit already installed. As I've downloaded already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download. So if you download, you have to go for next, and it will be download in your desktop, okay. So okay, I'm going to download now because I need the do custom configure before closing. I agree. Then C program, we can keep the Notepad plus plus any of them. Just next, shortcut of desktop, just install. Okay, so this is the way you can download your text editor. Yeah, then if you want to install Sublime Text, just click on it, double click on it, and the same interface will come again, and you have to click on yes, then next, just install it, and it will go for your install in your text computer. Yes, okay, so as I downloaded all versions, so I'm not going to download again. um, Thank you so much. I think all of you download your uh, editors in your computer, so that we can start our next series and do work on our editors in details, and hope it's going to be fun. And thank you so much. So before closing my video, I would recommend all of you install Notepad plus plus, so that you can understand my tutorial so quick, or you can use any of them, whatever you want. And thank you so much once again.